Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. I got a quick little spotlight video for today. It is on the Tusk Racing Axle Blocks. So there's a couple reasons why you would want to swap out your axle blocks. So one being just cool looks. We have these in a lot of cool colorways. They're made from 6061 T6 aluminum, so lightweight, strong, cool anodized colors to choose from. And the other option would be if your axle blocks are pretty worn out and it's hard to see the marks or the lines on those to make sure that your chain length is adjusted correctly, that would be a really good reason that you'd want to swap out your axle blocks. So with these, you can see, like I said, cool colorways, but the lines on these are laser etched in, so very clear, very easy to see. And you got to remember, if you are adjusting your chain slack, you want to make sure that it's even on both sides, and that is why being able to see these lines is very important. On your swing arm, you'll have a little notch or something on there that will line up with these lines that you have on your axle blocks. Now, another little thing to consider too is that for some of the European bikes, well, the way that their axle is the axle block is actually threaded onto the rear axle. So it takes a little bit more work to get these stock ones off and then to put these on. Really, I would just say you're gonna probably need a vise, some sort of heat to warm that up, and then you unthread that one, thread the new one on, you're good to go. So really simple. So like I said, Tusk Racing Axle Blocks, whether you want to upgrade the looks of your bike or if yours are old, worn out, hard to see those lines, these are going to solve that for you. A couple other things to keep in mind too is that when it comes to your axle blocks, some other cool accessories that you could add on there too is we do have Tusk axle nuts. So again, cool anodized colors, just updating the look. And then lastly, we also do have some Tusk titanium axle adjuster bolts. A lot lighter than these stock steel bolts that come on. These are much more corrosion resistant, and hey, they're light and they look awesome, and they're available in a couple different colorways. So if you're shopping for your bike, again, Tusk Racing Axle Blocks. There's a lot of other cool anodized components that Tusk offers for a lot of different motorcycles. So to shop these and all the other components from Tusk, just click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. And remember that when you're on the website, if you just enter the year, make, and model of the bike, the ATV or the UTV that you own, you will see everything that will fit your exact machine. We ship for free over 75 bucks, and if you want to stay up to date on products like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.